Having trouble with your spray gun? Let's break down every common issue into 4 categories: leakage, finish conditions, pattern shapes, and maintenance. Let's fix them. Air leaking from the air valve. The air valve needle might be dirty, or the air valve spring, sealing, needle is fatigued. Disassemble, clean, and replace the damaged parts if necessary. Paint dripping from the front. The fluid needle packing nut is too tight. Paint residue has not been cleaned off and is jamming the needle, or the needle spring is damaged or not properly installed. Loosen the needle packing nut slightly, clean the fluid needle thoroughly, and check the spring tension. If your paint is sagging or running, it may be that too much paint is being dispensed. Remove the paint knob by 0.5 turns, or increase the speed of gun movement. A sandy finish usually means the paint is too thick, or the PSI is too low, or the distance is too far. Check viscosity, increase PSI, or shorten the spraying distance to 20 centimeters. Orange peel happens when paint is too thick, or air pressure is too low for proper atomization. Thin the paint or increase your PSI by 2 to 3 pounds per square inches. Milky or whitening finish. This is blushing, caused by high PSI or V-split exceeding 38 pounds per square inches. You can also use a high-quality slow-drying thinner to fix this. A crescent pattern means there are burrs or impurities on the nozzle outlet or the holes in the air cap, or the nozzle outlet is not aligned with the center hole of the cap. Clean thoroughly with an air gun or a brush, align and tighten the nozzle, or replace the nozzle or cap. For asymmetrical patterns, if the spray pattern remains unchanged when the air cap is rotated 180 degrees, the nozzle orifice may be misaligned, the nozzle may be loose, or the nozzle orifice may be damaged. If the spray pattern changes, the holes in the air cap may be damaged. You can replace the nozzle, tighten the nozzle, or replace the atomizer cap. A dumbbell figure 8 pattern means air pressure is too high, the paint is too thin, or the gap between the inner diameter of the air cap's center hole and the outer diameter of the nozzle opening is too small. Reduce the air pressure and airflow, adjust the paint viscosity, or replace the nozzle or air cap. Slanted pattern. Your air cap and corner hole are blocked. Rotate the air cap 90 degrees to observe if the fan surface is skewed. If so, soak and clean the air cap. If your fan is adjustable but maxes out too narrow, maybe the air pressure is not sufficient, increase PSI by 3 to 5 pounds per square inches, check for broken trachea, or check the pressure regulating valve. Different from a narrow fan, if the pattern size cannot be adjusted at all, this may be due to the distribution ring not being properly installed, the air cap being clogged with paint, damage to the spray fan adjustment set, or damage to the contact seal between the nozzle and the cap. You can install the distribution ring, clean the atomization set, replace the fan adjustment set, or replace the air cap and nozzle. Fluttering spray? This is likely due to a poor seal between the nozzle and the gun body, air entering the paint passage, or a loose or worn seal on the needle packing nut. Please tighten the nozzle, or tighten the paint cup and check the seal. If necessary, tighten or replace the needle packing nut. If the paint flow decreases while spraying, the vent hole on your couplet is clogged, creating a vacuum. Clean the vent hole and check the sealing ring of the needle nozzle. Finally, if the gun is hard to clean, you waited too long after spraying, or used the wrong solvent. Always clean your gun immediately after use to protect the internal parts. Or use high-quality gun cleaning fluid. Keep this guide handy for your next project. For more details or replacement parts, contact our support team. Happy spraying.